Here with my review on this helmet, and at first I really did like this helmet. This helmet was really good. I like the fact that it has this to protect my head, like it protects me from the sun, this protects me from the sun and anything else. But there was just one problem. Today I just got into an accident, and this part, the only thing that protected me the most from an impact on my Tesco Hummer. I was just coming back from work, and I took a road that would spare me from suffering from any more pain on my own part between my legs, and decided to take the road that would spare me from any more pain from down there. And I see a dog, and I don't know where. I was just crossing. I don't know where this dog came out of nowhere. Started chasing me, and I got startled to the point that I lost control of my Tesco Hummer bike, and I crashed into a car really good. And my head, it shattered the glass from the car, and the only thing that spared me the most from impact, as you can see, the impact from over here and here. And this is what protected me the most from the impact over here, but not so much over here. And they really did say it does not protect the face. It doesn't protect the jawline. And they were right. This is when they said that, because it does not have any padding. And here's the result of, I'm going to show you my face right now in a minute to show you like how much of a serious impact that it has on me. And this is what it showed. As you can see, yeah, it does not really show in, so you can see those little parts right there, that what looks like to be circles. That is from over here. The inside has that. The inside has that. So yeah, this does not protect you well from major impacts from the face. Thank God it was not a very powerful impact to the point that I had to go to the hospital and do something about my jaw. But yeah, this is what it does. And anybody who is looking for a really good bike, a really good helmet to protect themselves on their bikes or motorcycles or e-bikes, yeah, this does not cut it for the jawline whatsoever. Look, I'm gonna put it more closer so you guys can see. Does not protect you from the jawline. So yeah, thankfully I'm okay. I am not in the hospital whatsoever. Nothing major. The only major is from over here, from my jawline and here. As you can see, that's the only thing that's causing me pain. But yeah, I was in a shock when I broke that poor woman's car window, and I left a huge hole in the window. So if anybody wanted to go for safety measures, don't buy this one if you don't want information filters. If you're just going for like something for standard, something small like a regular bike or e-bike that's less than less than 20 miles, yeah, that would probably be better. So yeah, I hope this helps. I hope it helps for anybody who's looking for a really good helmet. So yeah. I'm gonna be feeling some bruises for the next few days. Even though the ambulance did come and check me, and also the police. And yeah. Hope it helps for anybody who's looking for one. Goodbye.
So can't complain with that at all. The padding is really good. I think it was pretty solid. Two things I don't like about it is this chin guard doesn't keep any wind out. So if you are riding on the highway, you're gonna feel wind come through here. So this wouldn't be a great helmet for the winter, but during the summer and in warmer months, it's definitely pretty solid. Another thing is if the wind hits this visor around like 75 or I don't know, around 70 miles an hour, it feels like the helmet's trying to come off. I don't like that. The visor does say daytime use, and I know on the website they sell clear ones. I've actually used this as at night, and it's better than any darked out visor I've ever used at night. I mean, I can see fine with it. I know some people probably won't do that, but whatever. It also has vents on the top, so that's them closed, open, and then on the inside it has vents for the chin guard as well. Even if you do close them, the air does come up from underneath. So yeah, I mean overall though, I would say solid helmet. It is super light. And eventually I am going to get a headset kind of work its way in, but the padding is super comfortable. It's honestly one of the best helmets I think I've ever gotten. And just so you guys can see it one more time. So, but anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate it.
Hey everyone, so this is the helmet. I can tell you that this is an extremely polished product. You can probably make out that it has very nice finish. A few things that I really like is that it is very comfortable, a lot of foam and padding inside. This hood comes down like so. I haven't peeled the sticker yet, I'm waiting for the right moment. But it has this breathing compartment over here, and I think this entity can be removed by removing these screws, and there is some ventilation over here as well. And overall, the thing I like the most is that it fits very well for me. Make sure you get the right size. But what I wanted to say is that the fitting is very comfy, cushiony, and that's probably the main thing if you're riding for a long time. So I'm going to be using it for my dirt bike sometimes, not so often as I'm not that young anymore, but a couple of times I have put this on, I didn't have any issues, so I'm going to give this 5 out of 5.
Back to the streets.
Nice. Love it. I just customize it, but I love the sound. Beautiful. Highly recommend it. And from my scooter. See ya.